Good morning, my name is Nathan Parks and this is a 2015 Cadillac XTS Eagle Coach Echelon. This is the top of the line from Eagle Coach and this is in a quite unique color setup. It is silver with a no stripe at all in a black, metallic black roof made to look like a traditional vinyl top. However, it is a fully painted car. You do have four-way clear strobes in the front grille along with flag mounts and staffs that come with the vehicle. LED headlights along with, once again, the four-way clear strobes. You do have upgraded wheels. It's a 6-lug wheel. It's an 18-inch wheel with brand new tires. Vehicle has 38,000 miles. B&C pillar chrome, you can see right here. Coach lamp illumination out on the outside here, and then that black painted top as I talked about. No pinstripe on this car whatsoever. Fully composite number 2 doors along with the rear load door. It has a cork/burl floor. It looks like a mosaic. It is a brown texture with a black interior. You do have a closed church truck along with the door, so fully optioned out. Bent aluminum umbrella tray down below is waterproof, so if you put any wet items you can put them down below there. Black carpet throughout and it is nice and striped. We've gone through and cleaned this entire vehicle here. Door cards are very simple. There's no nameplate brackets here. On the Echelon, you get a smaller window because of that coach lamp on the other side. So this customer had them put in the side windows here, the C window. Nice and easy. That way you can run a full-length nameplate in this window as well. You do get the signature Echelon Landau bar with the E in the center of it. Both stands for Eagle Coach and Echelon. Rear load door here. Pop this thing open. Once again, fully composite as well. You get a nice little dove picture here that's embroidered. We can swap it out if you'd like to have something with your funeral home nameplate embroidered on this as well. Bumper carpet, it is snapped in, so you can remove it if you want to. This is a brand new bumper carpet. This vehicle has a plethora of options. So you have both the vista window on the ceiling along with some signature lighting. You have the C-cut windows on the sides with those nameplate brackets like I talked about. Echelon embroidery throughout. You have a pop-up ornate urn carrier. You adjust them from the top knobs here. You'll be able to slide in and out. Fits about 90% of the urns on the market. It is a little on the small side. You also have a pull-out extend sill with the bumper carpet, so kind of unique. Most people go one way or the other. This has both options. Once again, the Echelon, the ultimate version of a hearse from Eagle Coach. Push this right back in here. You can flop the bumper carpet here back forward. Your beer pin is located on the far right, and it does have a push button for quick adjust. So that's nice and easy as well. Slide that thing right back there. Use the button to slide it back in. Closing this here. As the rear loader, as you can see, that two-tone. So this is still a painted top and a painted bottom. So they just did a nice transition here. Kind of make it look like a traditional vinyl top on the Echelon, which never has a vinyl top on top of it. Number 2 door here on the driver's side, you do have a spare tire tucked away down in there along with your jack and toolkit. Nice and easy. This is a closed church compartment well on this side, so not open like the passenger side for the church truck. Black door cards throughout, once again matching that passenger side as well. Opening the driver door here, once again only 38,000 miles on this coach. Black leather throughout, fully powered. Let's jump inside and take a peek. Sitting inside this 2015 Cadillac XTS Eagle Coach Echelon, you have a black leather wrapped steering wheel, power telescoping and tilt column, automatic headlights on your left, cruise control on your left, media controls on your right. You do have paddle shifters as well. This is a push to start vehicle. It does have a fully functioned fob here. You do have lock unlock and remote start. Keep those down in the center. Touchscreen infotainment, AM FM radio, XM radio, Bluetooth for both phone calls and to play music. You do have a little nice hideaway spot underneath here. It does give you another plug-in for your phone as well as a storage space. You also have 2 USBs in the center console here along with a 3.5mm auxiliary jack. This acts as a nice little place to hide the key or to put the key in. There is a holder down in the center console here. If the key battery ever does die, you can place it down there and still start the vehicle. Four-way clear strobes button is located on the ceiling up here. You flick that on and you can kick on the four-way clear strobes. The vehicle does have to be running when the strobes are on. Please take note of that. Both the driver and the passenger seat are fully powered for both forward and back, up and down, and to tilt the backrest. You do have a center gear selector here, so it is a shift rather than a push button shift, which is nice. Glove box has a pop button right there. There's your funnel to be able to fill up with gas if you ever break down. That is fully featured in there as well. Black carpet throughout, once again only 38,000 miles. Thank you very much for taking a peek at this 2015 Cadillac XTS Eagle Echelon. Once again, this vehicle is fully featured and is one of the highest trims in the funeral industry. Silver with a black top, no stripe, front wheel drive, 38,000 miles, in fully featured rear coach cabin, urn carrier, extended sill, and bumper carpet. If you'd like to inquire about this vehicle, please give us a call at 800-229-5008 or visit us at parksuperior.com, where you can see 80+ photos of this vehicle, a walk-around demo showing you every feature along with this beautiful demo right here. Once again, thank you very much.